Let's talk about electrician pay in St. Lucia. On average, electrician in St. Lucia earns around $12,345 a year. That is the average annual gross salary before tax, but tax takes a share, so your take-home pay drops to $11,100 per year. That leaves you with roughly $925 a month after tax. Electrician wages are usually higher if you work in bigger cities. So, as an example, a worker in Castries brings home about $13,100 after tax. Pay is noticeably lower in rural areas, but lower living costs often offset that difference. Starter pay sits well below the national average, though it goes up quickly as you gain skills. However, your electrician income will plateau unless you step into a higher role. Having a university degree is not always required locally, but higher education makes a big difference because it helps you advance into roles like electrical supervisor or site manager. On top of that, learning special skills like industrial wiring helps you earn substantially more. How much does an electrician make in St. Lucia depends heavily on these extra skills, which is why average electrician pay varies so much across the island.